That's another dance for all po. And once again, we are the Sweet Blend, Mr. Narvi Dasalya and Mr. and Mrs. Stardom, Manipuda po di Santa Cruz, Ilocos Sur, sa agsasala tayo manang Tipuyong! It happened in old Oklahoma. One night in a beautiful moon, love blossomed in old Oklahoma. Two hearts were beating in tune. Love faded away with the downing. My darling, that once was my own. Moon sailing on high, please shine down with your light. Moon shining on high, where is my darling tonight? Go say tell her I'm fading away, waiting in old Oklahoma, in hoping she'll come back someday. Moon sailing on high, please shine down with your light. Moon shining on high, where is my darling tonight? Go send her my love, tell her I'm fighting, waiting in old Oklahoma, in hoping she'll come back someday. Waiting in old Oklahoma, in hoping she'll come back someday.
Okay, give muna sing another pulse. Wala ko munang upok. Katak-katakang mahibang ang katulad ko sa iyo. Biro-biro ang simula, ang wakas pala ay ano. Aayaw-ayaw pa ako, ngunit yan ay di totoo. Dahil sa iyo, puso kong ito'y binihag mo. Katak-katakang mahibang ang katulad ko sa iyo. Biro-biro ang simula, ang wakas pala ay ano. Aayaw-ayaw pa ako, ngunit yan ay di totoo. Dahil sa iyo, puso kong ito'y binihag mo. Alaala ka, maging gabi't araw, alipinin mo't walang kailangan. Marinig ko lang sa labi mo hirang na ako'y iibigin lagi habang buhay. alipinin mo't walang kailangan. Marinig ko lang sa labi mo hirang na ako'y iibigin lagi habang buhay.
Okay. So before we continue the celebration, I would like to take a moment dagiti tumulong apo for this event possible. So we have the sponsors. So okay. First we would like to thank Mr. and Mrs. Noel Guzmani, Mr. and Mrs. Sherwin Chu, Mr. and Mrs. Joey and Grace Ocles, Mr. and Mrs. Maser Galora, Mr. and Mrs. James and Teresa Abuyan, Miss Digna Guzmani, Engineer, and Mrs. Abelardo Buen and family, correct me, sir. Mr. and Mrs. Billy and Adele Galus, Mr. and Mrs. Mardo and Josie Galus. Paki-correct na lang po ako kung mistake po yung mga pinag-pronounce ko po ng mga pangalan. Miss Grace Maki, Miss Anacleto Cobradilla, Engineer and Mrs. Sheridan and Tito and Rose Ducusin. We have also Mr. and Mrs. Geoffrey and Eden Galus, Mr. Gerson Galus, Mr. and Mrs. Evangie Pajared Adriano, Mr. Noel Millares, Miss Michelle Manzano, Beshies of Ma'am Mirna Lauriaga, Mrs. Evangeline Camilo, Mr. and Mrs. Ehino and Catherine Imperial, Mrs. Edna Nicolo, Mr. and Mrs. Mark and Lizelle Navarro. We have also Mr. Dave Cruz, who nakadadot sponsors. Miss Everly Faith Manikad, Engineer and Mrs. Jim Likbawan, Mr. and Mrs. Valdez, Mr. Mark June Galus, Mr. O.T. Ormita, Mr. Sunny Boy Navarro, Mrs. Marisa Ringor, Mr. Ronald Ruiz, Mrs. Analiza Navarro. We have also Mr. Camilo Biacoro, Mrs. Josefina Maon, Mr. Junjun Camarillo, Mrs. Ivan de la Peña, Mr. Cesar Aragon, Mr. and Miss Jerry Guzmani, Miss Rosie de la Peña. We have also Don Segundo, Miss Mila Sibayan, we have also Mr. Dante Erpilio and Mr. and Mrs. Agnes Muniz. Ikantay man apo itinabara sipsipat para dagiti naayat ken managtulong latang sponsors tayo nga agtultuloy latang mangtetad kanya tayo apo ti suporta. So another ikantay man pa apo tinapigsa kanabara sipsipat para kanyada. Okay, so let's continue another songs manan apo para dagiti bisbisitas tayo tatarabi.
Ingat request niyo po, Balse, Cha-Cha, Modern.
Modern
Okay
ka po.
Yan, sunod apo ti request niyo po, mabalin niyo apo nga ibaga ti MC tayo. Wino mabalin po kanyami. Thank you so much po. Okay, another dance for all po.
Dagiti kayat nawa po ag intermission number, mabalin nyo la ibaga apo, takno di kas na may bagay. Thank you.
Happy dance for all. Hey, come on, everybody! One-way ticket, one-way ticket, one-way ticket, one-way ticket, one-way ticket, one-way ticket to the blues.
Here we go, sabay-sabay!
One-way ticket,
Team
one-way
Puyo,
ticket,
lahat sasayaw!
one-way ticket,
Walang nakaupo.
one-way ticket, one-way ticket, one-way ticket to the blues. Two train, trucking down a truck, got a trouble though, he never coming back. Ooh, got a one-way ticket to the blues.
Sige, hataw!
By my love, my baby's leaving me. Now only teardrops are all that I could see. Ooh, got a one-way ticket to the blues. Gonna take a trip to Lonesome Town. Gonna stay at Heartbreak Hotel. A fool such as I, there never was. I cried, I feel so well.
One-way ticket, one-way ticket, one-way ticket, one-way ticket, one-way ticket, one-way ticket to the blues.
Yeah.
Sige!
Landeruin natin po yun! One-way ticket, one-way ticket, one-way ticket, one-way ticket, one-way ticket, one-way ticket to the blues. Two train, trucking down a truck, down a town of love, you never coming back. Ooh, got a one-way ticket to the blues. By my love, my baby's leaving me. Now all the teardrops are all that I could see. Ooh, got a one-way ticket to the blues. Gonna take a trip to Lonesome Town. Gonna stay at Heartbreak Hotel. A fool such as I, there never was. I cry, I feel so well.
Sing! One-way ticket, one-way ticket, one-way ticket, one-way ticket.
One-way ticket, one-way ticket to the
Sige, bababa!
Hey, hey! So keep on dancing, come on!
By the rivers of Babylon,
Yeah!
there we stand down. Yeah, yeah, we wait. And I remember Zion.
Let's go!
By the rivers of Babylon,
Yeah!
there we stand down. Yeah, yeah, we wait. When I remember Zion. When the wicked carries away captivity, requires from us a song. Now how shall we sing the Lord's song in a strange land? When the wicked carries away captivity, requires from us a song. Now how shall we sing the Lord's song in a strange land?
Sing it.
Sing it. Next, next, next. Ooh. rivers of Babylon,
Yeah.
where we sat down. Yeah, yeah, we wait. When I remember Zion, by the rivers of Babylon, where we sat down. Yeah, yeah, we wait. When I remember Zion. Here we go, keep on dancing, guys. Another test. Wala munang upo.
Yeah.
Sige.
Hela. Alaman.
Sige na. Open up to go.
Halos di kalabunan sa pagsakit at mundo, manisan ng tanigando. Punta supply kasuri, namin di ba imawa, kasi di ka nangayain. Wala na,
Manatampang,
habit-sampang, ilang ka na sa ulo nilamit mundo.
sige.
Manaubang, alibingam, ilang ka na sa lupa nilamimigam. Nasa pulo nga musulim, nasa kamala bukulit, nasa pulo nga ginugot, nasa kamala pinlubot. Tabi at tabi sa dating balot, kinibawang pagkapantalo, masarap na bumang kasuri, basihan nakakadiri. Sabado na vela, sabado na engine, sabado na lapo, sabado na gas, sabado na saitan, sabado na lapo, manatimpan, madumantana. Manatampang, amit-tampang, pinuntan sa ulang nilamit mundo. Manaupang, alibigam, pinuntan sa propang nilamimigam. Manatampang, akin kasi sa
Okay, here we go.
sisiwit.
Ang lagi nire-request,
Yeah,
si
so,
Siwit.
may sama
Okay,
na mga circle.
isang circle na lang po.
Yan.
Ayan, yan.
May
May
mesa
isang
na
circle. Tatlo na lawlawa. Yun, oh.
Ay, kumali mo!
Wow!
Timpoyo!
Sige!
Let's go!
Wow! Okay, pataya! Yan! Lagi masay! Hira! Dami, ang dami! Okay, here we go, sabay-sabay! Awat kong dinukmaan ka ay ayama Intarok tama asisiwit kong naaka Nukad noog kumanyo Tokayan at imayo Sige lang! Isunga ang maanyo sa toon sisiwit ko. Here we go! Sisiwit ko, sisiwit ko. Yun o, manulumawa ang berberan ko.
Yan, so nakalay po tayo.
Basa ko, linang paa mo. Sige! Ako kapitana, ito Centralis daw, Batam.
Kaya so nagmayat na kita, nakatadungag sa sala nga, Timpoyo!
Let's go! Imoy ko binisita, ikaw din supot na. Pakita pa yung kilig-kilig ha. Ay nangitlog si Dua, maam-amaan siya. Nution yung maamam mo, maampakada kayo. sisiwit ko. Tanukan! Sisiwit ko, sisiwit ko, lulumawa ang berberan ko. Sumuray, luod ka man iyo, nasa ko, binang paa mo. Nasa ko, binang paa mo.
Okay, again. Okay, yan apo tayo jag intermission. Oh, intermission. Anyone from the audience? Group of Arcane, Jerry's Angels. Paki-ready G music yun. O, agina natay pa apo ta dan tumampig sa ating agsalan. Makantay pa eh. Okay. Na ano ngay dato eh. Yung music. To mesmerize and give the rhythm of festivities, let us welcome Arkin, Erickson, and John Mark for an intermission number. Let's give them a round of applause, please. Once again, let's give them a round of applause. Okay, kantay man abot nabala sipsipat para kanyada. Dakitan. Okay, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Another round of applause to our... may kain anak. May kayo, pakikini Auntie John, kada premio yung ano. Hala po nga Valentine's tatano dikat. Happy Fiesta Bangar! And for the information of everyone, apo practice na dahil awan tinagkoryo kanya, tano dikot suda lang. So amo yun, after how many years? Sino dagiti nagkakalaingan kinanak dagito itakuha naglalaing da. Ala mo na. Okay, another round of applause para kanya da apo. Ag-eskwela apo ti para to integrated school dagita. Talaga nga very talented da. So, ayun maminsuro ka ni Ma'am Sharon. Paiso ma'am. Ay sigagandang choreograph Ma'am Sharon Isang nagamdat tayo kasi sa pa manager da Okay, another modern music man kano apo para dagiti bisitas tayo man tatan ken dagiti members tayo apo dating nga team puyo. Okay? Music please.
Okay, it's another dance for all. Another dance for all. Para din po yan. Let's go! Let's dance! Sa aking nakikita ko, magkasama na tayo. Naiinis ako, nasisira ang araw ko. At di ko alam bakit ba nagkaganda. Sadyang nasasaktan kahit di rin naman tayo.
Ang puso ko'y nagurugo at parang sumisikip ang dibdib ko.
Sa aking nakikita ko na magkatabi tayo. Kahit di naman tayong dalawa ay lagi na lang pinagsaselosan siya. Bakit ba siya at bakit di na lang ako? Sana'y mapansin ang aking nadarama sa'yo. Kung di rin lang ako, sana'y maghiwalay na lang kayo. At di ko alam bakit ba nagkaganda. Sadyang nasasaktan kahit di rin naman tayo.
Ang puso ko'y nagurugo at parang sumisikip ang dibdib ko.
Sa aking nakikita ko na magkatabi tayo. Kahit di naman tayong dalawa ay lagi na lang pinagsaselosan siya. Bakit ba siya at bakit di na lang ako?
gave to me makes my heart beat. When my plans fly away, but my feelings make me stay. I see the fire in your eyes, it makes my heart beat. Do it just to do it, night and day. You're my old time lover. Do it just to do it, in a way, like there is no other. Touch, my touch. You're my old time lover. Skin to skin, come under my cover. When my heart is full of love, it makes me the turtles up. Love's a game that we play night and day. When our love is clear and bright, it's our way to see that light. There's the fire in our hearts night and day. Do it just to do it, night and day. You're my old time lover. Do it just to do it, in a way, like there is no other. Let's go, touch, my touch. You're my old time lover. Skin to skin, come under my cover. Do it just to do it, night and day. You're my old time lover. Do it just to do it, in a way, like there is no other. Touch, my touch. You're my old time lover. Skin to skin, come under my cover.
Kissing lovers' mouths, my brother used to call it eating out of trash. It's never gonna last. I thought my house was haunted. I used to live with girls and all the perfect couples. Said when you would know, and when you turned you down, and all of the foes and all of the friends. Singing people, it's sailing again. Life is a song with has ready ends. It was yours. But my mama told me it's alright. You were dancing through the light these times. It's living at the onyx night. But now the sky is so bright. Oh, 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 my Lord. Never made no one like you before. You have to make your own sunshine, but now the sky is so bright. Oh, oh, Okay, sa nato requested song kano apo may samot nga cha-cha. Yan so habang magmer-merienda ako idaduma matapog sa sala. Come on everybody, let's dance cha-cha!
Here we go! Para sa mga may po dyan sa atras sa banda, sayo na! Yeah! Angelina, baby, please me, baby, mine. Angelina, do your cha-cha. Forget about the time. Sign your name across my heart. Heart in the smile to Angelina.
Yeah!
Ready, set, start. We can cha-cha on the floor. We can cha-cha on the couch. Baby, we can cha-cha all around my house. We can cha-cha in the night. Cha-cha down to you. And have to cha-cha me. I have to cha-cha you, Angelina.
Angelina, Angelina,
Oh, my sweet señorita.
señorita, señorita.
I bet that you sweat, Angelina, Angelina. Be my señorita. Vamos a ver. Oh, Angelina.
Angelina, Angelina,
Oh, my sweet señorita.
señorita, señorita.
I guess you see yes, Angelina, Angelina. Be my señorita. Here we go! Angelina, baby, please me, baby, mine. Angelina, do your cha-cha. Forget about the time. Sign you never cross my heart. Right in the smart. Ooh, Angelina. Ready, set, start. We can cha-cha on the floor. We can cha-cha on the couch. Baby, we can cha-cha all around my house. We can cha-cha in the night. Cha-cha down to you. I have to cha-cha me. I have to cha-cha you,
Angelina,
Angelina.
Angelina,
Oh, my sweet señorita.
señorita, señorita.
I bet that you sweat, Angelina, Angelina. Be my señorita. Angelina.
Angelina, Angelina,
Oh, my sweet señorita.
señorita.
I guess you see yes, Angelina, Angelina. Be my señorita. Oh, Angelina. Oh, my sweet señorita. I bet that you sweat, Angelina, Angelina. Be my señorita. One more time. Oh, Angelina.
Angelina, Angelina,
Oh, my sweet señorita.
señorita.
I guess you see us, Angelina, Angelina. Be my señorita.
Ang requested song,
Here we go.
come on,
Give us
Sarah.
you guys another cha-cha. Sige! Mana! Wow!
Come on, sabay. Kumsi, 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 kumsa.
Yeah!
Para ko play, alam mo. Rasa lang meron gusto. Come on, sabay. Kumsi, 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 kumsa. Para ko play, alam mo. Rasa lang meron gusto.
Ah!
Holiday in Paris, sunny afternoon, meeting a French boy, evening walk out. So we were dancing on the music, and I was waiting for my turn.
Sige!
I only didn't understand him when he said in French.
Ah!
Come on, sabay. Kumsi, kumsi, kumsa. Nararamdaman ang amor.
Yeah!
Nasa lang meron gusto. Come on, sabay.
Okay, may I request po another balse song? And may I request, or love song po, balse song or love song, and may I request all the male po na agisala apo dagiti babae tata po tatangarabii. So another balse or love song po. Idaulwan apo dagiti bisbisitas tay tatanga kakapitan. So take it away po.
Yan, sumay-sama na po mga balse. A dance for all. Kalkalawit, lumakit ang di kalkali kaguma. Bunga ti mangga ng punipunan iti pintas. Mang ay yung ako mang buybuyan. Malalino ak nga guyubuyan, to'y isip Henrik na. Naganus kung namanong ay marino ka. Darang idangan natangkin na tumo ay makita. Hurayeti handang kalungan. Jak makatutur, jak makait na jak may turan daytan. Palube, tulaing dito'y unet ti puso. Nasi siyak tulay, ti umay ken kaagi ko. Tapnon maming gati, ano harikat ken tuon. Napangay aywan ko ken ka parang sipsipo. Kalkalawit, di mo ka di pailan. Kaag supadak to, titulong mo kaniya. Di mo kan iten nagpamato. Binkarin kaniyak sara na yenda ito'y ayak ko. Kalkalawit, lumakit ang di kalkali kaguma. Bunga ti mangga ng punipunan iti pintas. Mang ay yung ako mang buybuyan. Malalino at nga guyubuyan, to'y isip Henrik nga. Naganus kung namanong ay marino ka. Darang idangan natangkin na tumo ay makita. Urayeti handang kalungan. Jak makatutur, jak makait na jak may turan daytan. Palube, tulaing dito'y unet ti puso. Kasi siyak tulaing ti umay ken kaagi ko. Tapnon maming gati, adong harikat ken tuon. Napangay aywan ko ken kapalong sipsipon. Kalkalawit, di mo ka di paida. Kaag supadak to, titulong mo kaniya. Di mo kan iten nagpamato. Binkarin kaniyak sara na yenda ito'y ayak ko. Binkarin kaniyak sara na yenda ito'y ayak ko.
Okay, come on and sing another words. Uy karayo, ngain kain kalaygi. Dagit iununoy ko ngain kaaklunen. Daing pagarup, kumun sa bareng bareng. Ulbog dalilaw, managirurumen. Nairot at ilim Pakayang tapnod Hayat mo pasudiyem Ketak-yakap Asita kalingin Abaw, datang Best partner Hala Kundawe mo atang sis pati nga kayo sis Nairot di kayat ketibak Bakat na sumipngat Nais di ka na panagununoy ko Hindi ka ba'y dinggin Amin na panaputikot ko Hindi ka ba'y lalaisin Habang nang idadanas ka nang irurumit
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, while waiting for the preparation of the cupcakes of our birthday celebrants for the months of January and February, may I request Auntie John another game kano daw? Another set of games po, care of by Auntie Jonna.
Anan, bring me agasawa. Pares, maysa. Sige, bye. Ala, sige, pito. Ay, innam gayam ta the special request. Ni Apo Kapitan Jojo Mantilla ti maysa. Kini bakit na? Talo. Dua, bye. Dua, bye. Sige. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sige, bye. Paris, bye. Ma'am Mercy, mega. Sige, manang tagas. Maysa, dua, talo, upat, lima, inam, pito. Anos to? May kayo dito isa ang may kayo kang premyo. Ada request da. Type naot da ka nag-kiss. Kita niya, kasla dalaw bubing kasi pala request da. Sige, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pair. Tata. Agure ka tayo, regalwang kayon, tanong daganas yung gay ayap. Tay mang karton ko dit anak. Tay karton nga ko, ayan ti Toblerone. Dayjay ne. Dayjay. Tapos DJ, dati ko Kita'y props ko. Wala sa midan sa gaysada. Yung ano. Wala man niya ipa. Dijay na awit mo. What on? Dati pampalubag-looban. Ada Toblerone yun. Awan pa mo siguro betik ka niya yun niya. When. Ano dahi ito? Dakil. Misal, doon mo na nga. Tata. Baka di lamang labos kini. Bakit yung kanila kayo amuyo. Amuyo mo lang abadwan ida. Okay. Game tayo, tata. Indo na. Guray ka. Dati kini saldo, ti pakadalag. Datakin rabo tayo sa dakkel. Kailangan mo na ipa. Pagpilyok pa nga muna. Di ako muna nga. Dati nga. Data, baka dakkel. Data dakkel. Manay. Kita man. Ay, dadyan dadakkel. Ay, sige niya dadakil dan. Ano? Agore kayo. Bilangan nyo mano butunis na. Magrugi di baba. Agrugi di baba. Lima? Ada lima? Agora, warwaran niya. Practice mo nga badwan hang lang puro linabusan na ito eh. Amuyo pa ila. Okay, lima. Agora kayo. Mano, ada lima nga butunis na. Inam, si Kayante. Inam. Mano butunis na kanya, Lisa? Inam. Sige. Inam samat am amin, kastoy. Alaw, naukasan. Igaman ni babae. Igaman ni misis na maganda. Kwaman puro amin. Ayan na tilalaki kanigid kanawan. Kanigid. Because misis is always right, true. Amo talaga ni Ma'am Merce. Panan? Kanigid tilalaki jakin kanigid. Agsinukat kayo, agsinukat. Kasta. Okay. Tata. Agure kadakil ti bagi dito nga kuha, makalingad. Ti panangibado dayta, isang yung tapos ibutunis yo, ijay likodan. Pero hanggang nga mapanjay likodan. Ay nagsinsin na ako kayong agbutunis dapat innam dijay may butunis. Delikado kan saldo. Agora ingata, ready. Dapat ka kwa, ti pa nagibutunes. Na-recap. Madi, saur ka bayaw. Okay, gaman ni Mrs. Ready. Manong sinukat kayo kini Lisa? Basta. DJ malpas kayo ag-kiss. Ako yung baga nga torrid, kiss lang. Sa bali yung request yung tatay. Okay, ready. Ready pa lang, aguri kayo. Ready. Get set, go! O, kitaan nyo no sino mo nag-kiss Dapat innam. Di ba buto? Hanyo nga tulungan. Hanyo nga tulungan lalaki, babae lang. Manang, bata niyo. Ibata niyo, babae lang tagi butunes. Saldo, kansan. Ang umalay. Dapat pili. Ang umalay. Sit down. Ay, sus! Di sama namang labos na mo yan. Iba, jisikat na madam, di pagkigawawon. Ibabam ta imam. Di babam di imam. Ano ti ba sikat na kasta, ibaba kasta. Nagkiss na. Sino mo na? What? Okay. Naapa ni Ma'am Merce. Naabak nito ka, Merce. Okay, sino nangabak? Ni Mayaw. Kasano di kiss na kita, Teman? Okay, ne. Ada amin consolation niyo. Consolation to pala. Gan isublo yun na kita, bado nila kay ko na ita. Consolation, 1,000. Sige, ma'am. Thank you. Pang-tubay to. Pang-tubay to. Nay, may naganan. Ay, nailing ka na magigam. Okay. Happy Valentine's, ma'am. Thank you. Ti lesson ni Jay Kano. Yan ko na da, namong nga labusan. Amumot lang Baduan. Ultimo may sa buto ni sa umanik. Umanik sa mo. Okay.
Okay, Manang.
Thank you, Auntie Jonah, for that very interesting game. So this time, it comes to the most awaited part of our program. As I've said a while ago, handlang apong Valentine's Day celebration that way, but also the celebration of the birthday celebration of the celebrants for the month of January and February. So tonight, we celebrate the amazing individuals who were born in the months of January and February. Strong, loving, determined, and truly special people. For without you, this event would not be possible. Thank you for your generosity. And as I call your name, please come forward and grace us with your presence. So for the month of January, we have here the list of the celebrants. We have Ma'am Elizabeth Chu. Please come forward, ma'am. Or in the center na lang po. Amerson Gonzalez. Okay, so please come forward or punta na lang po sa center, sa harap po ng stage po natin. We have also Ma'am Zenaida Banao Villanueva, Maricar Contawi,
Get one cake, madam.
Isagani Artur Guzmani Sr., Elona Dane Ligaspi, Jiros Ligaspi, Camille Galus, and of course, Arlene Cabusora, Auntie Arlene Cabusora. And for the month of February, we have Michelle Manzano, Abelardo Buwan, Francie Bumatay, Ate Danica Bumatay. We have also Auntie Jonafel Guzmani, Uncle Noel Guzmani, Reynalda de la Peña, Lucina Villanueva, Alfredo Blanco, and lastly, we have Ricardo Guerrero Jr. Okay, so kuha lang po ng isang cake or cupcake. You are blessings to this organization and to everyone around you. May your new year of life be filled with success, peace, love, and countless opportunities. So before we ask our celebrants to blow their candles, let us take this moment to share their wishes for their families and for our team. To our celebrants, may your dreams take flight, your efforts be rewarded, and your hearts remain full of gratitude and joy. Okay, please light up the candle of your cupcake so that we can now proceed to the next part of this event. So ikantay man apo sulat tinabara sipsipat.
Happy birthday
Okay, sabay-sabay po tayong kakanta.
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
One more time.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Kayo pa yung
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Okay, lahat-lahat po. Kakanta. Ay, go ka.
Happy birthday, happy
birthday.
happy birthday.
Okay, hanyo pa yung i-blow.
You.
Now please hold your cupcakes, make a silent wish, something you truly desire from the depths of your heart. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, blow your candles. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, once again, happy birthday po sa lahat ng may birthday ngayon.
Once again, happy birthday! So, by the way, the celebration does not stop here. Our birthday celebrants have prepared something special for all of us. So, ikantay man apo iti may isang sweet song para dagiti amin nga celebrants tayo for the months of January and February. Another sweet song daw po.
Yan, so may isa ko na po nga sweet music.
Okay. Okay, once again, another round of applause para dagiti birthday celebrants tayo. Dating asunata ko para kanyayos. So take it away.
We've gone so far to leave it all behind. I wonder why.
Why did you go away? You left me all alone, no words can say. My love, please stay. You and I, we have moments left to share.
You and I, we can make it anywhere. You and I, we belong in each other's arms. There can be no other love. Now I know we can have it all forever.
Each night I pray that we can be together once again.
Forevermore, we stay in love this way, no matter what they say, until the end.
You and I, we have moments left to share.
Moments left to share. You and I, we can make it anywhere. You and I, we belong in each other's arms. There can be no other love. Now I know we can have it all forever. we can make it anywhere.
Making it.
You and I, we will always other's us. There can be no other love.
Now I know we can have it all forever.
Now I know we can have it all forever.
Now I know we can have it all forever.
Okay, thank you very much po. This event will not be possible without the very energetic and naglalaing duo po tayo. The Sweet Blend, Mr. and Mrs. Torda duo, correct ba ma'am, sir?
Opo,
Okay,
with
round of
Mr.
applause pa-
Narvi Dasalia po.
Okay po. Another round of applause para kanya da po.
Thank
Dati
you
may
po.
isang arason no apay ta nagpintasan tatta dato nga event tayo. So, without further ado, modern music ulit po para sa mga bisitas po natin.
Sige po.
Okay. Non-stop music daw po.
Okay, so non-stop daw po tayo hanggang 12. Alakitan tayo manong kasano nga kabayag nga sumala ti Team Puyog. Okay, come on. Agsasala tayo mananapo. Let's go! Tonight, it's hard to stay on my own. I feel like taking you home. I guess that the tricks that you played away. The time you first accosted by me, you looked at me as you were ugly. And suddenly you made up my mind. By the look in your eyes, I knew it's surprise. The times that we was all over now. I'm standing alone, still needing someone beside the whistle down like the rain.
Never mind her, never mind her, never mind.
We'll slip tonight away.
Never mind her, never mind her, never mind.
We'll slip tonight away. Annie makes a difference to walk in our dream. 'Cause probably you change your mind. I just can't figure it out. Oh, last
Sige!
minutes pass day by
Come on, let's go! Lahat ng mga nakaupo sa sayaw!
They say to me I can't get my blood.
Sige!
By the look in your eyes, I knew it's surprise. The times that we was all over now. I'm standing alone, still needing someone who suddenly stripped down and away.
Never mind her, never mind her, never mind.
We'll slip tonight away. Never mind her, never mind her, never mind. We'll slip tonight away.
Okay, here we go. People dancing another Western song. Request by Mom Mercy. Not 3 times. Let's go. Hey girl, what you doing down there? Dancing alone every night while I live right above you. So it's the boy.
Yep.
I can hear music playing. I can hear your body say, one floor below me, you don't even know me. I love you. if you want me. Yeah. Rise on the mic if the answer is no. Oh, my sweetness, means you meet me in the hallway. Rise on the pipe means you ain't gonna show. If you look at the window tonight, pull on the string with the note that touch to my heart. Read how many times I saw you, how in my silence we adore you. Only in my dreams the temple between us come apart. Oh, my darling, knock 3 times on the ceiling if you want me. Twice on the pipe if the answer is no. Oh, my sweetness, did you meet me in the hallway? Twice on the pipe means you ain't got us yours. I can hear music playing, I can feel your body swaying. One floor below me, you don't even know me, I love you. Oh, my darling, knock 3 times on the ceiling if you want me. Yeah, twice on the pipe if the answer is no. Oh, my sweetness, meet you meet me in the hallway. Twice on the pipe, since you ain't got us yours. Okay, here we go. Keep on dancing. Wala mo nang upo. Let's enjoy the ride, guys. Let's go!
I hear you heartbeat, 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 playing with my mind. Oh, I need
Sing
you
it!
wrap around me,
Hot
just
house!
like I'll be all of mine. But now I'm only lonely, lonely, holding to you. Oh, I need
Oh, yan.
you
Mas masaya
back
doon.
with me, yeah.
Sa bandang
I
law.
think you want it to. I'll fill you with the new
Oh, dito. Sa bandang kami yan. Sayaw.
Okay, nagiging ano kalaingan at sala at premyo na.
Oh, next! Hingay! Hingay! Pababa!
Do you wanna take me tonight? Do you wanna make big night? Do you wanna, if you wanna take what you need? Do you wanna make it right? Do you wanna have once tonight? Oh baby, do you wanna, if you wanna take what you need?
searching for the stars, and it feels right in from my heart. If you feel like and take me away and make it okay, I swear I'll be here. Let's go. You wanted control, so waiting, I'm gonna show. Now I'm making, you see I'm a kid. My ego is big, I don't give a shit. And it goes like this. Take me by the time I hold you. Kiss me till you drunk, I show you all the moves that got. I got to moves that got. I got to move like Jagger. I don't need to try control you. Look into my eyes, I know you are the moves that got. I got to moves that got. I got to move like Jagger. Maybe it's hard when you feel like you're broken and scarred. Nothing feels right, but when you're with me, I make you believe that I got the key. Oh, so get in the car, we can ride it wherever you want. Get inside it, and you wanna steal, but it's just changes. I take it from here. Let's go, and it goes like this. By the time I hold you, kiss me till you drown. I still you want the moves like that. I got some moves like that. I got some moves like Jagger. I need to try control you. Look into my eyes, I know you all the moves like that. I got some moves like that. I got some moves like Jagger. Let's go.
I wanna know. You make me smile. Take control only just for the night. But I share my secret, and I have to keep it.
You're not my step up. Okay, next time.
You learn until you try. Every time, oh baby, run me right. But I share my secret, and I have to keep it. But I can see this. Hey, 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 hey.
And it goes like this. Pick me by the time I know you. Kiss me till you drown. I show you all the moves like that. I got some moves like that. I got some moves like Jagger. I don't need to try control you. Look into my eyes. I know you all the moves like that. I got some moves like that. I got some moves like Jagger. Okay, meron po tayo isang special request. Budots daw po, budots. So keep on dancing guys, budots! Okay, sige! Sino kaya ang pinakamagaling na grupo dyan? May premyo daw eh. Yung pinakamagaling na grupo. Yan. Sa bandang laot. Sa bandang laot. Sa bandang amyanan. Pababa. Pababa. Baba mo. Sige. Sige nga. Yun o. Yun o. Sige. 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 Pababa mo pa. Ayun o! Dito naman sa bandang laot. Yung tatlong kandyan. Yan.
Para
Ayun! Ayun! Kaya iyaman daw ang mami, bigyan eh. May nasumalang ka. Sige! Oh, 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 oh! Oh, 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 oh!
Talaga, ako contest kayo tinulin na inang tibudos. At dapat nakita La sige, rikusan da man sa laan dagar ti budots. Nagbayag mo yung premyo. Okay, nato yan. Ay, dyan danay. Kaya dyan ako. Ay, ito na daw. Okay, dato yun na po tinangabak iti Budots Queen. Ay, ito Budots Queen. Ni, Yaward ni Miss Niljen from Mrs. Gracia Ocles. Oh, go! Taludan. Oh, palakpakan. Oh, inaramid ni Miss Niljen Kano. Product of Miss Niljen Legaspe Guzmane. Okay, picture paper. Okay, that's ka lang.
Okay, so I would like to take this opportunity in behalf of the Team Puyog. Kahit kumana po ibkas iti panagyaman mi apo dagiti bisbisitas nga may sumambay ditoy ken may naki-celebrar para datoy Valentine's Day celebration ken birthday celebration para ti January ken February. Dahil ti bisbisitas tayo apo nga nagkaputi sa Basabali nga barangay para tong Tres, Norte, Jay Ili, Mindoro, ken nya pa nga barangay apo agyaman kami apo kanyayo da kayo ti rason no apay ta naragsak may nga rason no apay naragsak dato nga celebrar. So ikantay man apo tinabara asipsipat para kanyada. And of course, pati dagiti sponsors tayo nga imbagak kanya itatay. Amin da, thank you apo ti suporta nga intedyo para datoy nga selebrasyon iti Team Puyog. And of course, we would like also to thank to Sir for the setup po, sino na po? Kuya Robinson, for the wonderful setup para dato yung event tayo tata. If you want to have this kind of a setup, you can call him or you can reach him out on his Facebook. Thank you very much, Kuya, for this wonderful setup. Nagmayat apo dato yung setup, ito'y celebration tayo tata. And maawis kayo apo, nagjihampay nga nagpicture, you can have your photo op sa Art of Benchi daw po. You can reach him out po in that Facebook account. So nagjahampay nga nagpicture up po, you can have your photo op doon po mismo, wag po kayong mahiya. Okay? So again, thank you very much and bless us all. Let's enjoy the rest of the night. Another modern music daw po para sa mga bata. Take it away po.
Okay, awan di may tagsalag ay ayam tayo manan. Bring me. Alaw hang agasawa, nyo may met mo nagasawa. Pares manan. Awan na sa maawak kalat na ba rin? Ay, sa makabilang bahay. Bring me agasawa manan. Premyo na na ito ay 500,000. Ginangabak na tayo nakakasalin. Kuha na ganan. Ano da ito? 5 nga pares. Bring me. DJ Mangi, makaiyag ada tangdan na. Ada premyo na. Bring me pares ang asawa. Ano kaya? Pagbingayan talatan, sabit niyo pa premyo. Pares! Ayan na yung asawa ni Arto. Hakay mabalina na nga ba kayo tayo. Ni Kwa, Maricel kini Junrey. Ni Saldi kini Tise. Madike nga tumadar siya tagpili. Sino pa ito'y hangalagay ayam tatayan ni Victor kini Bilen? Sino pa ito'y hangalagay ayam nga gasawan? Ni best dancer tayo di Kwa, Christmas. Ulang, kini Rene. Na may gayon. May sapay. Ni Padre Pidong, kini Marimila. May gayon. Di kayo nga volunteer siya kaginagan. May gayon. 5 nga pares laan. Nalakala na ito eh. May gayon na. Toy. Ang putukan, hindi lang sa bahay. Buyuan tayo mama kasahaan. Hang nga masa na problema dahil ta. Mangala kay ti, yung kada pares, mangala ti duwa nga balon. Gay ayam tayo ka din, nag-effort pa naman akong mag-prepare. Doa. One hand lang nga, balay ti putukan ako. Dua. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ulang. Ay, Ma'am Mercy, baka kaya mo na kaya mo. Ayan na, ito asawa yan ni Mercy. Sino pa itikwa? Ang asawa nga dalita. Ay, nikwa. Bayaw dane. Kene amiran ko. Mother Jean, ayan mo. Ito ko di consolation yun ah. Ay, ang may kayat, sige. May sabay nga pare. Sige, again nadayo kayo, diyan kayo dito ni. Nayunan nyo, tabalon nyo, sasagay sa akin may garo. Kastoy, ala, sige, ala. Ala, agaabay kayo ah. Agaabay. Nalaka lang na ito games na yun. Ilang putok sa isang araw. Salang. Sige. Diyan, agaabay kayo dito eh. Agaabay kayo. Ito kayo. Saldikan ko dito kayo. Ito kayo. Buyain nyo ah. Adi judge na kayo mo lang dita. Dayta, ang tinalikod kayo. Tata, inutoy nyo nga, muntahan dayta nga nakatinnalikod. Sagay sa lang ah. Ang tinalikod. Gurabaan nyo kayo yung system. Kung formal talaga kaya mo, baba nga ito, winayuting nga. Basta wanin, hanyugig gaman ah. Nung naikargayo dyan likudan, ibatan yun. Technique. Agin nigam dyan ima. Kasta. Gaya lang dati, di makalpas agi. kiss. No kaya kiss, awan ti consolation. Atras kayo pa hindi man tayo makita na yung audience. Hindi. Hindi kayo neto na makita. Hindi kayo. Toy. Ready. Basta no nagkargayo jay likod, sa gaysa lang no nagkargayo jay likod, aginigam, hanyong awan ti kwa awan ti sampulan Ay, sampol. Ay, sige, dapat may extra nga balong gayam dito. Awan sampulan.